Say a word, keep getting me what I'm looking for. I just gotta tell everybody, I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love them. I love them. Goddamn, I love them. I love them.
What up, loves? It's your girl Bambee, and I'm coming at y'all with another Decade's makeup look. In this look, I did a early 2000s type of a look, and also I brought some. I'm shopping my collection, y'all. So I wanted to bring out the Urban Decay Naked palette. So I did use both. So this is the OG. This is the OG. This is not the relaunch or nothing like that. This is from the 2010s, okay? Because this was launched in 2010, so I got these in the 2010s, okay? So this is the OG palette, and I'm never getting rid of it because it's like, at this point, it's collector. And then I brought out the Heat palette. I used, what color did I use? I used Low Blow, and that was like the only shade. But I was like, let me bring out the Heat palette. I low-key really want to do a look with it because this eyeshadow palette was stunning to me. Stunning. All right, so I might have to do like a little look with that. But when it comes to like the early 2000s, and I really want to do a look as, you know, close to the like color palette or the color wave of the eyeshadows and stuff, which were very cool tone, I grabbed my Naked palette and some other palettes that I really like. But the Naked palette just always, it just gives when I want to do cool tones, especially when I want to do like early 2000s and 90s type of looks. So yeah, I really love it. I got my natural hair out, y'all. This is like a 4 or 5 day whole wash and go. So yeah, and that's when I like my hair the most, when it's not like super defined and it's poofy and it's big. But yeah, so we're gonna get into this tutorial. So yeah, like I keep saying and yang and like, so we're gonna just get into the tutorial, and I hope y'all enjoy it. Drop any other decades that y'all would like to see me do, and also check out my playlist for my decades makeup, because I do have a couple of videos on my channel. So yeah, let's get into the tutorial. Love y'all. Alright, so I'm starting with my brows like always. I'm going at a more straighter angle with my brows. I tend to do that with my early 2000s looks because most of the brow shapes were more straight. And I'm just using the Judy doll eyebrow pencil. I believe it's called Shaping Brow Pencil, if I'm not mistaken. And now I am carving my brow, well, more so cleaning up. I don't never really carve my brows, or just clean them up and make sure I have the shape that I want with the concealer. Now I'm taking the Naked Heat and the Naked palette, and I'm going in with the Naked Heat first, and I'm using Low Blow in my crease. Next, I'm going in the Naked palette and using Buck in my crease as well. Next, I'm using Sidecar in the Naked palette on my lid. I don't remember what this shade is in the Naked palette, but it's like a black glitter shade. So I'm using that in my outer V. Well, it's more like charcoal, but it's still nice. Now I'm using my pinup liner from my cosmetics line, Vintage Vanity Cosmetics, to align my eyelids. This is a 2-in-1 lash glue and eyeliner, and it only comes in black. I'm using this NYX and E.L.F primer for my face. Now I'm going to do a little bit of color correcting with this Morphe. I believe it's an under eye corrector, but I use it on my face wherever I feel like I need to use it. And I'm just going to blend it out. I love the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm going to mix these two shades because they create my perfect shade. Like, look at it. It blends in so well. I just love this foundation. It's been my favorite for years. I highly recommend it. Now I'm using this LA Girl concealer and this Black Radiance concealer together, and just going to, blend that out. I'm going to set where I put my concealer with this MAC Studio Fix powder, and I love this powder so much. Definitely get it. Now I'm using the MAC Studio Fix powder right here, and this is in NC45. I'm a true NC45. Now I'm going to contour and also set my under eye with this contour palette from Anastasia. I love this contour palette so much. It's really one of my favorites, and I wish they still had the tan to deep. Going in with these two blushes from Juvia's Place. I mixed them and I'm just applying them. Going in with my highlighter from my cosmetics line, Vintage Vanity Cosmetics. You know I gotta plug that in, and this is in the shade Sade. Look how stunning that is. Now I'm just finishing up the eyes before I put on mascara and my lashes. I'm going to be applying these Ioni lashes. Now I'm going to apply this lip liner from Urban Decay. This is called Conspiracy. I don't know if they still have this, but this is a nice lip liner. Going in with Anastasia's Pure Hollywood liquid lipstick. One of my favorite kind of like pinky nudes. Now going in with my lip gloss and Baby Girl from my cosmetics line. One of my favorite shades that I created is available on the website. And here is the finished look to my early 2000s look. I love it, and I hope y'all love it too. Thank you for watching. Love y'all.